Hey you, it is me, your boy Lithunium Snow, coming at you with another video. And in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is following a Barbie Vlogs hair tutorial. Wow, amazing. So a few months ago, I got recommended this video by Madison Bush of her following a Barbie Vlogs makeup tutorial, and I thought it was genius. Best thing ever. Loved it. Loved every second of it. Great. You should probably check her out. Anywho, I kind of wanted to do the same except with a hair tutorial by Barbie. And at the time, back then, she did not have a hair tutorial. However, a few days ago, I got recommended in my recommended section on YouTube a Barbie hair tutorial. Unicorn hair tutorial Barbie Vlogs episode 39. So, you know, I had to hop on that. This video is already, like, 5 months old now. Oh my god, my laptop is freaking out. Oh, that's great. Just what I wanted. Yes, zoom in 400%. Thanks. I'm gonna do my best to turn this into a really good hairstyle, and I'm gonna do my best to, you know, follow the hair tutorial properly and try to do good. Even though the hairstyle is really bad. I'm sorry, Mattel! Sue me! No, please don't. I just lost every opportunity to get a sponsorship with Mattel. Anywho, I went to look to see if anyone had done this. And Madison
Gosh darn
Bush had done this video. So I'm pretty much just copying her video. I have not watched it because I wanted to be surprised. And I wanted it to be a whole process of me trying to follow along to this. Because, again, I haven't watched it. So I want this to be a surprise to me, you know? Anywho, I got my laptop right here in case anyone is wondering, like, what I'm looking at. Literally no one was wondering, I just wanted to flex on y'all with my 2012 refurbished iMacBook. Well set, MacBook, something.
How about that?
Anywho, let's just, you know, get
Hey
started.
there!
Oh god,
Is it
oh god.
crafting?
No, I wasn't ready. Barbie, calm down. Also, hi. Who's that girl next door? Who is she?
Chelsea. What are we gonna make?
Chelsea. Okay. Should have probably waited to ask that for 3 seconds, and that would have been answered.
Well, I wanted to share with you something that Herberto and Hazel taught me how to make.
Yeah.
Unicorn hair!
Oh god. Oh god. If you can hear anything right now, that's my neighbors making noise, like my downstairs neighbors in the car park area of my building. I can't do much about it. So sorry about it. Sue me. Can you stop? Oh god. Oh god, he actually looked up at me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I hated that. Oh no. Sorry, Barbie, I interrupted you. Also, may I just add, what is up with their hairlines? Why is it all the way down here? Are they okay? Are they okay?
Oh, they're so funny.
Right, I remember now.
I don't.
Crispy Forest.
I
That's
don't.
the name of the beat. And Herberto and Hazel. The beat. And Herberto and Hazel.
Are you okay, Barbie? Are you okay, Barbie? Do we need another Marina Joyce moment? Do we need a hashtag save Barbie Vlogs?
And they taught me how to make unicorn hair.
Oh, that's great, Chelsea.
With Barbie.
Thank you, Chelsea. Fantastic.
We will need a couple of rubber bands,
Rubber bands. Okay, got those right here.
a comb,
A comb, hairpins. Calm down, slow down. Got a comb. I gathered all the ones that I could find. There's about 7 of them.
7! 7! 7! 7!
I keep losing these. At some point I bought like a bulk of them, like at least 200, and these are all that are left. Great.
tape,
Okay.
Tape? I didn't know I was gonna need tape. No one told me it was gonna be this way.
a piece of cardstock cut into a
Oh! A piece of card. Haha, Chelsea, you dumb as cardboard. Sure, fine.
square.
Cardstock.
Yeah, 5 inches on each side.
5 inches on each side. Let me just see and check if I can find any tape or card. I wasn't prepared for this. Give me just a second. Ow! Give me just a second.
7!
1 hour later.
Right, all I could find is this cooking magazine. I'll just use the cover of it as card. And this builder's tape. Is it builder's tape? I don't know. think it's double-sided. Oh yeah, that's double-sided.
Ready, Barbie?
I can't wait.
I am not ready. Okay. Let's go.
What we do is to separate a section of the hair in the front
Mm-hmm.
like this.
What? Look at those fancy little graphics that they have going on. I can't have that. A section of the hair like... I need to put the rest of my hair behind my shoulders, don't I? There we have that. Great, okay, go on.
Keep it separate, and we work on the unicorn tail. You divide the ponytail into 2 parts.
Wait! Wait, what? I need regular dangler roll hair ties for this. Hold up.
1 hour later.
Got him. So, put it into 2 sections, right? Right, Chelsea, I see what you're doing. So I go from behind the ear, right? So then we put a ponytail up here, right? Okay, cool. It's not a great ponytail, is it? Whatever. I look like some emo anime game character. I think I'm doing okay. I'm not sure. Barbie, let me know. Barbie, hit me up in the DMs. Let me know how I'm doing. Where did I put that other hair tie? Oh, right there. I'm dumb. I'm blind. Right. If that, is that right? Doesn't feel right. It feels wrong. It feels very wrong, but right, you see that? Well, if you can't see that, I hate to be the one that breaks it to you, but you're probably blind. I'm so sorry. Get well soon. Oh, that was horrible. I need to edit that out.
You take the first section of hair, and you make a really high ponytail with it.
Yes,
And you
yes, I did
tie
the
it
really
with
high
hair
ponytail
band.
thing.
You see? Okay. Then we take the hair from the smaller ponytail and we wrap it around the main ponytail.
Ah, yes, that one. So we're gonna wrap that around. Hide the hair elastic. Great. Secure it with a bobby pin. Yes. I gotta did that. Oh my god. That's fantastic. Wait, I don't have that swirl coming up at the end.
Now for the horn. You take your square cardstock and you roll it into a cone.
Okay, right. So I'm just gonna take my cooking magazine, rip the cover off, and roll it up.
And then secure it with tape. Like that. Wrap the
Secure it with tape. Okay, got it. Is that good enough? No, my unicorn tail is falling apart. Barbie, help! Chelsea! There we go. I'm getting my life back together.
around the cone. Secure it with a bobby pin.
Wrap it around the cone. Might have made this cone too big. Is this cone too big? I'm gonna cut it shorter because I don't trust you, Chelsea. It's fine. Right. So then we wrap it around the cone. Oh, I have layers in my hair, like an onion. I don't have enough hair for this. And then
And ta-da!
secure it with a bobby pin and then ta-da! Chelsea, slow down, okay? Honey, I'm not doing too well. I'm just gonna use as many bobby pins as I possibly can. Try and secure this. Oh no. Wait. That works. Maybe I can put in some extensions somewhere. Right, I kind of want this to just work, so I'm gonna take a clip of extensions and like put that under here or something. Make sure you can't see it in the... What happens in the back stays in the back. Oh. Chelsea! Help! Barbie! Let me try and fix this. Put a bobby pin up here. I did my best. I don't want to tilt my head another way because I know it'll fall off. That's not great. Yeah, that's wonderful. Great. Thanks, Chelsea.
I love it. It makes me feel like
Me
anything
too,
is
Barbie.
possible, 'cause
Me
that's
too.
how it feels to be a unicorn, right?
That's right.
Oh!
You look so pretty.
Oh! What'd you just do? What is this witchcraft? Barbie is a freak. Right, I'm just gonna take some... Wow. Right, I'm just gonna take some really colorful eyeshadow and smear that in my hair, I guess. Oh. Why did I wear a white t-shirt for this? Who knows? Oh, yes! Get that color! Oh, yes! Yes! Wow. Oh, I just ruined my perfectly good white hoodie. Oh no, my hands. Wow. Anywho, that was the tutorial. Thanks, Barbie. Thanks, Chelsea. If you like this video, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, where I now almost have 500,000 followers. Lord knows why. Thanks. Goodbye. See you in the next video. I need to clean off. Ugh. Oh no. Oh yes.